If money matters to you, this is your door. If you've been calling yourself a virtual assistant for weeks and months, sending proposals, watching videos, setting up profiles, and you still don't have a client, the problem is not the market, the problem is how you're positioning yourself. And until you fix this, you can keep trying for the next 6 months and still hear nothing. Hello, I'm Ree and this is Money Time with Ree, and on this channel we'll talk about how to make money, how to invest smartly, and how to avoid financial mistakes. And today I'm going to show you the exact reasons you're not getting clients as a VA and how to fix each one immediately. Here's a real problem. Most beginner VAs don't fail because they're not good, they fail because they're not clear. Clients don't ignore you because you're new, they ignore you because you don't understand what they actually do. By the end of the video, you know the 5 mistakes blocking you from getting clients, what to change on your profile today, how to apply in a way that gets reply. The first mistake is you don't niche down. That title, virtual assistant, means nothing to a client. So instead of saying virtual assistant, say email and admin support for busy founders. Clients hire solutions, not titles. The second mistake is your profile is vague and boring. Most profiles says I'm a hardworking, dedicated and passionate. Who cares? Nobody cares. Clients don't care. They want what problem you solve, what task you handle, what results they get. Because clarity gets attention. The third mistake is you're applying to everything. You apply to social media jobs, data entry jobs, design jobs, writing jobs. You look confused. In fact, you don't look confused, you are actually confused. Pick one service, apply only to those jobs. The fourth mistake is your proposals are too long and generic. Too long and generic. Clients don't read essays. They want you understand the task, you can do it, you can start now. Short, direct, and clear. The fifth mistake is you have no proof of ability. Even if you have no client, you should have sample work, practice example, screenshot of mock task. Proof builds trust than words. Let me say that again. Proof builds trust faster than words. Let me give one extra bonus point. You are relying on one approach. Now, getting clients work in different ways. Either you reach out or they reach out to you. How do you reach out? By applying to the jobs on Upwork, by sending cold DMs on LinkedIn. Then how do they reach out? By seeing your optimized profile and reaching out to you to give you a job. Most freelancers get jobs this way. Most of 80% of my jobs we are gotten this way. So you don't have to rely on one approach. Stop waiting for them to reach out. Reach out to them. Combine LinkedIn, Upwork, and cold DMs. Stop relying on one approach. If this is sounding like you, like this video, subscribe to Money Time with Ree and comment fix, because this is where it changes. Let me recap quickly. You are not getting clients because your title is unclear, your profile is vague, you apply randomly, your proposals are weak, you have no proof. All fixable. Now the common excuses are here is I don't have experience. Well, you have to create proof. I don't know what to offer. Start with email and admin task. I'm not getting replies. Fix your proposal. It's too competitive. Specialize. So today, change your title, rewrite your profile, create one sample project, apply to 5 targeted jobs. Do this in the next 24 hours. The VAs getting clients are not more talented than you. They are just clearer than you. If you fix these 5 things, your next application can be the one that gets you hired. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of Money Time with Ree. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on all my latest videos. And until next time, stay financially fabulous.